Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to join custom maps in Forza Horizon 6. So first of all, open the pause menu, then we need to go to Creative Hub. Under it, select Event Lab and then we need to choose Play Event. Now we can see different types of events and maps created by community creators, and you can pick any of the map from here and join that instantly. If you want to filter it by any of the categories, then you can press R1 or RB to see trending maps here. Then we have best of the month, popular, new and trending, and so on and so forth. So let's say I want to join a specific custom map. Then for that we need to use the search button which is shown at the bottom of the screen. So press the button like this and then we need to enter the share code of the map which you want to join. But if you want to filter it by performance class, category, route or start point, then you can add the filters here and find the map according to your need. But I want to add a share code for my map, so I'll just select share code and then enter the share code which you want to join, which is this in my case. Then select OK and hit confirm in order to search for the map. Now you can see this is the map. I just need to select it. After that, choose the type you want to start the race with. You can choose solo, co-op or PvP. I'll just go with solo. After that, we should be able to choose the car. So this is the car for my map. I'll just select that and then it will load me into the selected map and the event will be started. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.